welcome to our channel. It's Drea, and today we are going to be frying up some waffle fries and we're going to be making burgers. But first, we have a special guest in our kitchen today. My son, he is back, and we are using my mini air fryer. You can find these at Walmart. Definitely go get you one because they're perfect for kids. They come with these small little baskets. Compared to my hand, this is how small the basket is. Okay, so it's very tiny and it's perfect for kids. So anyways, we are going to go ahead and deep fry the fries. So it comes with a magnetic plug to the back. We're just gonna plug it in right there, okay? Now son, why don't you go ahead and get the oil so that we can drop some in. And I'm just gonna plug it in here to the wall. All right. And we are using some canola oil in here. Now inside it has a max and a minimum line. Okay, I hope you guys are gonna be able to see it. Probably not, but it's right here. It says min and max. Those are the lines to follow. We'll be using the maximum line because we're gonna be doing some fries once they drop in. All right, so son, fill it up into the max line. Can you see it? All right, to the max. Doing great. Just gonna fill that right on. Okay, that looks good. You hit the max. All right, so let's put this back. All right, and then we are going to turn it on. Today's fries we are using are from Sam's. It's the Southern style waffle fries. Okay.
My favorite, Chick-fil-A fries.
Chick-fil-A. Alright, son, so you want to go ahead. We're just going to put our lid, and you're going to go ahead and turn it on.
Alright guys, we have it steaming, as you can see.
Yes, so once it starts to steam, it's cooking and everything. It's cooking the fries right now. We're going to go ahead and give it about 10-15 minutes to cook those, and then we've already prepared our bowl and some paper towels to kind of collect that oil, and then we're going to take it off the paper towels and season it.
Alright guys, it is now time to pull out the fries so we can salt them.
So you're going to pull your basket up and then rest it on the side. Yeah, just like that. Good job. Rest it on the side. Let it rest. Good job. Now once it drains off most of that, shake it and then dump it in.
Alright.
Dump it in. Good job. Carefully, don't throw it in. Alright.
Now we can put our new batch in.
Yes, now we can put another batch and we can season that. Alright, go ahead and put your salt.
Alright guys, I'm gonna salt.
Season.